Okay, so second year harvesting potatoes. Let's hope it goes better this year. Let's see what we got. All right, here we go. Onto the trash bag. Dump it upside down if you can. That looks like a fail. Let's see any. Yeah, you can help. Oh my gosh! Again, look, I didn't wait long enough again. They're just babies. Dang it! I always do it too early. Alright, well let's see what we got, and then that one's the old one, I think. Look at the mites curling on it. Ew. Okay, let's see what we get. Well guys, that's all she wrote. Look at those itty bitties. I might make one mess of mashed potatoes. Good gracious. I should have waited till the end of August. Next year, end of August. Alright, y'all. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. That's it, guys. It's a teeny weeny itsy bitsy potato harvest.